Bring it home.
Push it.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today it's a beautiful day, a good day for pike fishing. So we decided to come to Chu Valley Lake and fish for pike with flies. So today we are fly fishing for pike. The weather is really good. I think there's around 13 degrees, cloudy, windy. So perfect conditions for pike. We can only hope for a good fish, or at least some fish. Something is better than nothing. I'm really excited for today. Haven't been fly fishing for pike for a couple of months actually. So now let's see if we can catch a fish. Oh, fish! Trout.
No. Really?
Yeah. What do you think I caught? Well, this is a big trout.
Wow. Oh my god, that's a nice trout, man.
Thank you.
Nice. Hold it. Bring it in. Bring it home.
Push that. Good. Thank you. Let this beauty go.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good action.
First fish. We're going over a big bed of weed here. Yeah. Come on, fishing now. This is the perfect weather for pike.
That's it.
Perfect weather for pike. Come on.
That's it.
There's a pike at 2 meters. Here, pikey, pikey, pikey.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see it train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving. Things go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, honking the tree. You look so beautiful today, and how the game is changing. Just like a stranger, suddenly you know something.
Oh yes!
Well,
Trout. Can you take the net, please? trout again.
Nice one.
Ah,
Let's measure it this time, yeah?
I can't tell if it's nice. It's gonna jump.
You sure?
Yeah, it's a no, it's a pike. It's a jack. It felt like a trout.
Good, good. That's a fish. Oh, decent one.
Yeah. Hopefully I'll manage to. Come on. Ooh. I'll bring it up if he wants to come.
I'm ready.
I know you're ready, but she's not.
That's a fighter right there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Like a 10-pound.
Maybe. It felt like a trout first time. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. You ready? It's coming. Oh, it's going again. She's so strong, man. It's coming. She doesn't want to come. It seems bigger now. It's coming.
Come on, sir, bring it home. Bring it home. Oh, that's why it was bigger.
Yeah. Oh, she's so feisty. It's coming. Yeah. Ah, no, don't worry. It's going again. You see green?
Yes, very good.
It's coming. Come on, put on it.
That's a strong
Oh.
pike. Strong pike, huh?
Yeah, it's really strong.
Good fight. Giving you some action.
Come on.
It's a typical broad 12-water fish, right?
But it's a decent jack, let's say. I think it's a pike, not, it's coming, look. She's tired. Ooh. What? Why are you laughing?
That's good fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good. It's nice, but I want to have it in the net. I don't want to lose it. It's coming now. Put it on.
Saw the net.
Huh?
Saw the net.
There.
It's a very broad fish. Could be 12, I would say.
Oh, yes. Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. That took some reflexes.
Ah. That was a fight. A proper fight. Now let this beauty go. She did well. Short and fat. Let's release the beauty. Come on, girl. She's ready. Yes. Woohoo! I'm
Excellent job.
happy.
Second fish of the day.
Yes, and I got it on this. I'll show you now. On this bright green one. I tried only natural today, didn't do the trick. As soon as I change it, bam. And now let's catch another one. So I'm using this fly rod. It's a 9-weight rod with a 9-weight line. Sink 3, this one, yeah, sink 3. After that I have a fluorocarbon tippet, or how is it called, leader, and a wire trace leader. It's a simple setup. I'm using 9-weight for pike, but you can also get perch with this one and trout, as you've seen earlier. So it's a good combo. Come on, I need a bigger one. The weather is just perfect, isn't it? Perfect weather. A little bit of wind, the water is 15 degrees. Really good, cloudy, it's overcast. 2.8 meters deep, so 2 to 3 meters. They are still in shallow water. What a day. It wasn't bad. One trout, one pike, let's call it. It was a really fat, small one, but that was it. Nothing else, no follows, nothing. Absolutely nothing. But I'm happy anyway. It wasn't a blank, and I had a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.